Hey man, just another little quick handheld video because I can't deal with this anymore. I've made mention of this before. If my shakiness bothers you, sorry, leave. While sitting on, okay man, while sitting on, here, we're in the lab. While sitting on the golden throne just now, I grabbed a random issue of QST magazine published by the American Radio Relay League on that date. And let's take a look at Hamspeak. This is why I can't stomach this organization anymore. Hamspeak. First off, if you're reading QST, why would... Anyway, let's just take a look. BNC. If you don't know what the term BNC refers to, let alone exactly what it is, you shouldn't be a ham. Burn your license. CTCSS. Okay, if you're into 2 meters, or if that was your introduction to ham radio, I'll bet you do know what it means, but you might not. If you're an old goat like me, I know what it means, but whatever. It's a pretty specific term within the hobby, maybe. Dead bug? I know what dead bug refers to, but Jesus, I prototype low drift oscillators. We'll give that one a pass. Operational amplifier, op-amp. In today's world, you don't need to know what an op-amp is to be a good ham. Wall wart? Seriously, man? Is that ham speak? We need to educate people what wall warts are? Fuck that, man. You know what? F that, man. Sorry, people. You see what's happening here, people. And I grabbed a random issue from the stack that lives next to my golden throne, where I lay waste periodically, where I make. So, hang on. Okay, sorry. I'm kind of perturbed. I get excited. Art, I'm making this video for you, man. Art, do not subscribe. Do not be a member of such a loser organization. Please, you're better than that, Art. Art, King Arthur, my brother. You're my older brother, and you're way smarter than I am. And I'm a retired engineer, so I think I'm maybe preaching to the choir, Art. Sorry, man, you didn't deserve that. You know what's happened here, people, Art, is that in a day of the dumbing down of society, they just kept writing the test down and down and down, making it easier and easier. And you know what, man? It is what it is. Radio fun is radio fun. I don't care if you call yourself a CBer or if you call yourself a freebander, which is damn fun, by the way. I highly recommend every ham out there at least listen to some 26 megahertz freebanding. It's a trip. It's actually fun, too. Not that I know. So, we live in a world... Let's look at some motor oil. We live in a world where we can't hurt the children. We can't award a trophy. We can't make Susie and Johnny cry because they came in last place in the tournament. So we give them the trophy too. We give everybody a participation trophy. So what I'm suggesting, in the modern world of the American Radio Relay League and who they represent and what they represent and the garbage, the complete and utter garbage that they're publishing, we don't need to hurt the kids' feelings. We don't need to even need to test them anymore. Just hand out the licenses, man. Yeah, I want call signs. I want federal call signs. That'll be the only thing that separates us from the CV bands. And life is good. That's my suggestion. What say you, Art? 73, man.